Hi, I'm David Davis from ActualTech Media. I'm excited to be here at VMware's headquarters, and I'm joined by Mr. Ivan Oprencak. He's a Director of Product Marketing for VMware Cloud on AWS. How you doing, Ivan?
I'm doing pretty good. How are you?
I'm great. It's an honor to be here, and it's exciting to be talking about a really brand new product for VMware. Announced it at VMworld, is that right?
That is correct. We announced it in end of August in VMworld Vegas.
Exciting. So I was there at VMworld. I saw some really cool briefings. The interface for VMware Cloud on AWS, very appealing, very cool to use. But I bet that a lot of our audience out there isn't quite familiar yet exactly what VMware Cloud on AWS is. Could you tell them what VMware Cloud on AWS is and kind of how it works?
Yeah. At the very basic level, VMware Cloud on AWS is a VMware operated service that integrates VMware compute, networking, and storage with AWS bare metal infrastructure.
Okay.
And VMware runs as a service because it's VMware. It includes vSphere, it includes NSX, it includes vSAN. They're running on top of bare metal, so the same type of performance, scalability, availability customers expect out of VMware on premises, they're getting on top of AWS's global and elastic infrastructure. Now, it is a VMware operated, sold, and supported service. So what that means, VMware is the primary place where you purchase this service. Mm-hmm. We install it, we provision it for the customers. We're responsible for maintaining and upgrading it, and we're the only interface of support
nice.
for the service. Now, in terms of some of the other things that we're included in the service we've done for a service, it is a cloud-based service. So it is a self-provision. Customers come to a portal, they sign up for it, they go through self-provisioning to stand up a SDDC. And then once they set up an NDC, they can add nodes to it. We offer flexible consumption models, so customers can buy it on a 1 or 3 year basis, or they can even buy it on hourly consumption-based basis. Now, customers are not required to have anything from VMware on premises. If they just want to sign up for the service, they want to use it, They can go ahead and do that. Now, it gets very interesting when customers do have VMware on premises. Mm-hmm. We have introduced a new feature into our vCentral management called Hybrid Link Mode. And essentially what that feature does, it allows the customers to link their VMware Cloud AWS environment with their on-premises VMware environment and essentially operate them as a single pane of glass.
Very exciting.
Now, because everything in the service is based on vSphere, the same type of solutions that work on premises for vSphere work on top of VMware Cloud AWS. So these are things like VMware Solutions, vRealize suite of products, as well as other technology partners that typically work on top of vSphere. Whether it's security products, whether it's networking products, whether it's DevOps products, when they work on premises, they work on VMware Cloud AWS. Now, the other things I would say is even more interesting is what we've done in terms of integration of this VMware Cloud AWS service with AWS services. So we worked very hard with AWS engineering to establish high performance, low latency connectivity to other AWS services so that developers that are building applications in the VMware Cloud AWS environment can get the same properties, same characteristics, and same benefits of those AWS services for developing their applications. And of course, because it's on top of AWS infrastructure, it's going to be available wherever AWS is available across the globe. We're starting in the US, US West Oregon region specifically, but from there, we're going to grow it globally.
Wow, very, very impressive. So if I'm a vSphere administrator today, I don't need to learn to use AWS to use VMware Cloud on AWS because it's the same vSphere web client, same type of management interface and tools. Is that true?
Yeah, absolutely. So the same experience you have with the VMware management, VMware tools, and other processes that you have for your vSphere environment on premises are identical to what you get in VMware Cloud on AWS.
Okay, and then the same applications that I run in my vSphere environment, of course, will work with VMware Cloud on AWS?
Absolutely. You can take the applications that you have on premises and move them to VMware Cloud on AWS. Today, we're supporting code migration, but very soon, we're going to be supporting live vMotion. So you can just vMotion your applications and your workloads into VMware Cloud AWS from your on-premise environment.
Okay, and then I know you said that VMware supports VMware Cloud on AWS. What about the upgrades of the vSphere environment? Who takes care of that? Is that done by the customer or VMware?
That is done by VMware, so it is a service. We do manage the upgrades.
Nice.
We give customers upgrade windows when the upgrades are happening, and we ensure that when these upgrades are happening, there is no performance degradation and service downtime.
Very nice, and it's all connected to Amazon's high-speed backbone. So if you have AWS applications, they're all joined by Amazon's high-speed network.
That's absolutely right. This is where a lot of engineering effort went on the AWS side to ensure that the environment that we have integrates very well with the networking environment that AWS is running for their services.
Very nice. Well, congratulations on launching the new product.
Thank you very much.
If we want to learn more about it, what should we do?
The best place to go is visit our website, cloud.vmware.com/vmc-aws. There's a lot of information there. We have blogs that we're publishing on a periodic basis, and you can learn more about the service there.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Ivan.
Thank you.